Installing the wall units. So recover, turn, remove the front, and removing the shelves is a little bit tricky. Remove the shelves and then the holding strip, the metal strip will fall down. Don't try to remove the plastic holders from the side before. Remove, like here, the shelves, and then it's so easy to remove the metal strip. Okay. So, 2 wall units, right hand, 1 left hand. So the metal strip must be installed before, and from the side there are 2.2 millimeter, and from the top 5 centimeter to the hole you have to drill in the wall. 5 centimeter from the top of the wall unit down, there is a hole in the wall. So 5, okay. Five centimeter from the top down, a line, and the wall units are 60 centimeter. 60, okay, end of the first, beginning of the second one. Minus 2.2 plus 2.2. This is the beginning of the metal strip. So now I have the positions of the drillings in the wall. Normally there is a brick wall and you need 8mm driller, and with the 8mm driller you can, after 8mm drilling, you can use our 8mm dowels. Like here. Okay, and please use our screw. And when there are 4 holes in the metal strip, then please use also 4 screws and dowels. Very, very important. And it's a must. It's not nice to have, it's a must. PZ3. Okay, it's fixed. Now hang on the car case. And next one. So there are 2 cabinets together. And the next one, I can install all the metal strips I need, but it is sometimes smarter to say 1 or 2 together, and then the 3rd one and the 4th one, and then after the 4th one, the 5th and 7th and the 6th one, when they are fixed in one line. So the adjustment is very easy. This is our old system you see here. Our old system with 2 screws in the front and from underneath to adjust the height and the distance from the wall. The new system works nearly the same. Looks nicer. There are 2 screws in 2 holes of the back panel. It's much easier to adjust. So here also 3 screws. The position can be behind the hinge, can be under the hinge. Is your decision where you want to place the screws. Okay, third one, and finish. And the protection holder on the top. Very important. Don't forget it.